Wait a minute, I got. Okay, go.
You have to get back here. Back here, so Aunt Lulu can see you. Okay? Just hold on to that. Hold on to it. Don't open it yet.
I'm just gonna have to turn it. Here. Give me it. Y'all look like a ram.
Logan, please stop.
Sorry.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm pulling the tree apart.
Mama, here, Mama. You can lay it.
Well, I can't see Jack and.
I'm gonna
Yeah.
move.
You got presents too, Mama.
Just a minute. Logan.
I'm opening up this one.
Is this Justin's? Yes. Are we giving this to Justin?
Yeah.
Justin. And then Justin, that's from me and Angela.
That's his girlfriend too.
Okay.
All right.
Let Josiah.
Let Josiah go first.
Open this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Open whichever one you want.
Mama, you want? Oh, Mama. Sorry.
John didn't have a garbage bag, did I, Justin? Or
There's probably one in there. Just take this Brandon trash can here and set it right here between the couch and the chair.
Tear it up, baby.
It'll be alright. I can put this stuff in there.
I knew what this is. Wrestle with me.
that's good.
Here you go, Mama.
Alright, now open your big one.
Okay, open the big one.
How?
Come
Just-
right here on the side. There you right here.
Just start on the side.
You're going to have to stand up. Pull it all apart.
It's basketball goals.
Are you sure? It might be something different.
No, it's a basketball goal.
Well, look at me. Open it up.
Come over here. Stand up and open it.
Okay. Oh, I'll
Here. Get on the other side. Put the glue in there.
You like it? All right.
Okay. Alright, you got some other paper.
I ain't taking pictures. I'm videoing. Move.
Yes, it's not in video.
Alright, one of the little ones.
Is that cool?
You like it?
Okay.
Go ahead, Logan.
Okay.
Okay.
Logan, get Mama hers.
I got mine. It's over here by my foot.
Yep, it's it.
Got it.
I got a ball in there. Thank you.
Alright, open up this one.
Hang on, you gotta sit down.
Hey, it changes faces.
Alright.
Ow.
Alright, open up that one.
Don't worry. Don't hit me. That one's good.
Okay, wait a minute.
I won this thing. You haven't nerf or nothing. Haven't won one of these.
Oh, you ain't got no gun.
I don't got no gun though.
You got guns at the house that y'all had for those.
I know. They were in my toy box.
Okay.
But you threw it away.
No, I didn't. Not all of them.
Yeah, but mine. I don't know. I bet I know what that is. You had the same as your brother.
Different colors.
I'm blue.
Yeah.
Thank you. You got me. That's a good job of bed.
I don't know. I've never
We're together. Yes. You had the same too. Y'all had the same. I didn't know y'all had.
What is that?
It's a vest that holds bullets and stuff.
Oh, cool.
They had some guns at my house, some Nerf guns. I don't know if they still got them or not, but.
I was a small.
Alright.